Veteran artiste Dantan Humble call out German star, gentleman and British band UB40, accusing foreign acts of robbing Jamaican culture and sidelining the roots.
I have a brother them called Gentleman. I rob me. And them give me red card. It's the first time I am talking about this. The Jamaican are puppets. They use we to make some money and they don't care nothing about us. They take what you have, change it and say, okay, this is my country, I make my own Bob Marley. Yeah, I make my own Jimmy Cliff. For England, UB40.
Yeah,
Germany, Gentleman. They build their own reggae superstar here. So nobody from Jamaica or from where I come from is big like them. You could never be.
UB40 fire back with one word, careful, sparking outrage. Spragga Benz step in asking, careful of what? Or else what? Is he lying though? And just like that, the argument exploded. UB40 defended themselves, saying Jamaica is the foundation and they've always given back. Spragga Benz doubled down on UB40. To me, that sounds threatening, fam. UB40 shifted tone, clarifying, Jamaicans could never be puppets. Jamaica is the foundation. This sounds like we didn't give anything back. Never that. Still, the damage was done with reggae fans, industry insiders, and artistes diving headfirst into the digital melee. Dezola Kadamawe challenged UB40 directly, or else what? Boom Blast Entertainment told UB40 he's talking about how the system works, dada. Careful about Kumdang. Ian Swaby, 79, dismissed the band as crooks. Fans, however, are split. Some say Jamaicans need to gatekeep the culture and protect the intellectual property. Others argued that reggae now belonged to the world with authentic sounds rising from every corner. And some dismissed Humble altogether, saying great music speaks for itself, pointing out that UB40 and Gentleman help keep reggae alive on a global stage.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to jamaicalive.tvnews@gmail.com.